One small drop, and this device is completely dead. No power, no sound, no response. But when I plug in the charger, the LED lights up. So something inside is still alive. The owner was ready to throw it away. I'm not. Let's open it up and bring it back to life. At first, we have to open this metal mesh because there is no visible screw, and I think it has some screw behind this mesh. Yes. Mesh opened, and can you see it has 14 screws. We have to open them all. Trying to open it, and it's not opening. It has two more screws in here and here, and also behind this diffuser. We have to open this diffuser first, then we can access the screw. This is super hard. It's not easy. Finally, I can open it. I don't know, is it right or wrong procedure? Finally, it's open. Okay, looks like the switch is corroded. Maybe water damage or something, I don't know. Let's use some thinner and move this switch back and forward first. It will clean the switch.
Snap of your life.
Oh my god. Can you see it? It's on now. Is it only the corroded switch? I don't know. Let's try to connect it with my laptop, and
Snap of your life.
I found no device from my laptop. I don't know why. Now it's appeared in my laptop. It's connected now. Play some NCS music. Okay, let's check that. Can it take charge? Yes, it can. So now it's okay. It was a real challenge to open it, but the repairing process is very easy. Honestly, just opening this speaker was a battle. After removing the metal mesh and 14 screw still won't open. It was locked from both sides. Only after removing the two light diffusers, I discovered four hidden screws underneath. That's when the entire unit finally came apart. Inside, I found the real problem. The power switch had slight rust on it. It looks like some moisture had entered the unit. After carefully cleaning the switch and the charging port with thinner, some amazing happened. It came back to life.
Snap of your life.
I connected it to my laptop, played some music, and everything works perfectly. The sound quality is still impressive. It's surprising how such a small issue almost sent this speaker to the trash. Sometimes devices don't need replacement, they just need attention. And that's why we repair. See you in the next one.